Okay, we are going to start with IELTS speaking part 1 and we'll ask you some questions and you have to reply. Okay, let's start.
Have you ever tried foreign food?
Yes, I tried Chinese food.
I have tried.
I have tried Chinese food.
Speak a little more, come on. Have you ever tried foreign food? Yes, I have tried Chinese food and I liked it a lot. I think Chinese food is good. It's good for health. So to answer your question, I have tried several Chinese dishes. Okay, something like this in 4-5 sentences. Explain. Let's go on.
Do you like to try new food?
Yes, sir.
Do you like to try new food?
Yes.
New dishes? Yeah.
I like to try new foods because
because
sorry.
New food contains different taste and I like different taste very much. So that is why I go to different restaurants with my friends and there we often a variety of food. So to answer your question, I love to try different dishes.
Okay.
New food, different dishes. Okay, so you will use synonyms related to that. Okay.
What foreign food is common in your country?
What foreign food is common in your country? Now in Pakistan, shawarma is common, pizza is common, burger is common. They are pizza is Italian, burger is American fast food. Okay, shawarma is from Arab. So this is foreign food. So what foreign food is common in your country?
In our countries, many foods like shawarma, pizza, burger, and Chinese food.
Okay, but you did not use the word foreign food. Okay, so which foreign food is common in your country? In my country, Chinese and Japanese food is very common. People love to enjoy Chinese food like chicken corn soup and hot and sour soup, and then there are some Chinese dishes people like to eat. On the other hand, some people like Japanese food as well. So to answer your question, Chinese and Japanese food, these two type of foods are common in my country. Something like this. Okay, so try to elaborate your answer, understand the question, focus the question, and then answer accordingly. Right? Okay, thank you.